So I think the main reason behind cancellation of Google Project Ara is it was not profitable for a brand. Yeah, no doubt consumers can save money spending less on a specific module, say camera or display or CPU, and not spending much on a new phone. See, this thing was started by an individual. The main idea behind phone block was to minimize e-waste. But we all know what happens when a gigantic brand see this as a threat to their profit making. So yeah, that was back then. Now the situation is we so needed to save the earth. Some great news is Xiaomi seems to be working on such kind of project. Let's Go Digital found a patent by Xiaomi showcasing the design and how it is gonna work. So there are different modules for different functions. The first one contains camera and PCB, sub contains CPU, internal storage and RAM. This design shows you can replace the camera like if you want a periscope lens, or Xiaomi launches a new module with new sensor and display on side like Mi 11 Ultra. So yeah, you can change that. Documentation also shows module includes CPU. This means you can upgrade the performance CPU. The second module contains battery, which is most important part inside a smartphone. Without it, your phone is useless. So somehow if you manage to damage the battery or you think it's aging or draining quick, you can replace the module as shown in this image. The final module contains speaker and Type-C port. So yeah, this all sounds exciting and the modes can slide off and slide in. I guess they'll use magnetic pins just like what Moto did with the Moto Z flagship devices, and that is a perfect move. The patents show no information on front display design if one can attach or detach that or not. Yeah, I guess one can, because if display shatters, a module would be an easy and economic replacement. The site says it's likely gonna be a full screen display, so that sounds great. Now shocking part is Xiaomi officially posted the initial idea of project 7 years back on Weibo. They called it Xiaomi Magic Cube modular device. Sadly, that idea never made it to the final stage, not even patent stage. This one however got an approval and is listed on WIPO for patent protection. See, patent does not mean it is surely coming, but it do mean Xiaomi is working on such project. And to minimize e-waste, this is the only solution, not like some brands doing by ditching the power brick from the box and making profits plus adding more waste to the environment. So this all guys, what do you think about Xiaomi's modular phone? Your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.